Welcome to the 2024 Viking House in Forest Grove, Oregon. This house is specially put together by the highest level of craftsmen at Forest Grove High School. They take over 9 months to build just this one home, and every single detail is taken into consideration on this project because it is a huge part of their entire curriculum for the year. So let's go inside and check it out. So as you go in, you're gonna see that the Forest Grove Viking House is really on a different level of quality, even compared to the nicest of home builders you'll find here in the area. So some students go and spend a month just building the kitchen island. They spend time picking out the countertops, all the custom cabinets. That's one of the things that Viking House really hangs their hat on is the woodwork. So anytime you see a home that's listed that says it was a previous Viking house, it can be ensured that that property is built to the absolute highest standard. Something that I do want to point out here is that on this home, it's just over 1,800 square feet, which is actually a little larger than what they normally build. Usually it's more around 1,400 to 1,600 square feet. So it was nice to see them take a little bit more risk on their project size this year. They stuck with the very open floor plan as they have in years past. Sometimes, maybe about 10 years ago, they built homes that were a little bit more split up and had more custom spaces. However, in this home, there's a ton of built-ins that we can show you throughout that are very high-end and custom. So right through here, and the nice thing on the layout of the home is this primary is off the rest of the home. So the other bedrooms are on the other side. I'll let you go in and check out that primary bathroom there. I'm actually not sure this year or not if they did the tile work or if they brought somebody in to do the tile, but with the 1,800 square feet, this is one of the things this year that really stands out in the Viking House is this primary bedroom size. I think they really nailed it with this property. And then I guarantee all this custom cabinetry here in your walk-in closet somebody spent a lot of time doing that, that's for certain. We've got the main bathroom in the home. And then we've got 2 spare bedrooms here at the end of the hallway. And they did a lot of windows in this home as well. So the house is located on a corner lot, so you're gonna get a lot more light into this home. The backyard, really good size, low maintenance, which is pretty common with the Viking houses. So with the home being single story and a really low maintenance backyard, it's clearly move-in ready. It is nice, I would point out, the neighbors have really nice, already grown up trees, so you're not having to worry about privacy like you do a lot of times in other new construction. Also on this side of the house, they made an access so you can get all the way out to the front yard without having to step in grass or get your shoes muddy. I wonder who built this fence, because this is definitely not just a Home Depot special when it came to their construction they have. I think really for the last 5 years of Viking houses I've seen, I think this is absolutely one of the best ones that I've seen them do. So if you have an opportunity to come check it out, it's on 35th Avenue in Forest Grove. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I'll see you next time.